I've gone live, I think. Hi, it's Jane Hardy from Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men, soon to be known as Fabulous Networking, the collaborative business community. Today, I just want to ask you, how wide is your networking circle? Did you know at Fab Women that you can go to any of our groups? We've got 31 groups at the moment, and we're shortly going to be launching in the Bristol area, Kent and Essex area. So we're coming your way if you live around there. So at Fab Women, Fab Networking, you can also attend all of our groups. You're not just limited to one area. You could go from Southampton all the way up to Northampton and lots in between. So don't forget, you can come twice. As a visitor, you'll get a very warm welcome. There's no pressure to join us, but I'm sure you'll want to when you see how collaborative we are, how we help support you in your business, and we build up that circle of influence for you to support your business to grow and to succeed. So that's all I wanted to say today. Why not come along as a visitor? Just pay your £10 for refreshments and come and join in the community. Lots of meetings to choose from. www.fabulous-women.co.uk. Look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care for now. Oh, I've got to find the button again. Bye for now.